Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Hope you guys all enjoyed my last video. I'm going to be going for a little bit of a walk and enjoying the sounds of the night and showing you guys the night sky. Hopefully you can see it. And yeah, so come on this walk with me and let's get on with today's video. The night sky. You can see some of the stars, and there's the moon. Some stars. And just listen to the night sky, or night sounds, I should say, as you look at the night sky. Oh no, it just gets dark if you zoom out. Damn. I think that's a plane. An aeroplane. Oh, there's another one over there. I don't know if you can see that. Another aeroplane. I don't know if my camera picks it up, but look at the stars here. As that plane. Oh, street light. Oh, house light. Too much light pollution. Notice there's too much light pollution for my camera to pick it up unless I show the moon back there. That's probably the only way you're going to be able to see the stars. But it is what it is. Just enjoy the sounds. And my feet walking is what's making that sound as well. But yeah, there's the moon and some stars around it. Well, that's been your boy JK Vlogs. Hope you guys all enjoyed my video. Think positive, kick negative, keep on with the outdoors, and until next time, peace out. I'm sorry it's such a short one this time, but the next one will be an even longer one. So stay tuned for that one.